In 2007, a small subdivision was started here in Northeast Florida, but construction stopped abruptly, and the land sat abandoned for nearly 2 decades. In April 2024, my sister and I bought what was left, 4 unfinished houses spread across about 7 acres. Some had windows and doors, others were just shells, all waiting for a second chance. Our dream is to bring this place back to life and turn it into a family homestead, a safe haven for generations to come. We're clearing overgrowth, repairing damage, and working through the complex process of getting architectural drawings and county approvals to bring everything up to code. Because of the strict building rules in this area, we're using a special provision that allows family members to build multiple homes on a single lot, so this project truly has to stay in the family. It's a huge undertaking, but one filled with love, determination, and hope. Follow along as we restore these forgotten homes and create a lasting legacy, one repair, one permit, and one dream at a time. When we first stepped onto the property, nature had completely reclaimed it. Spiny vines, thorny bushes, sweet gum, and scrub trees had grown so thick that some had pushed straight through the walls and windows of the unfinished houses. The exterior OSB sheeting had been left exposed to Florida's weather for nearly 20 years, no siding, no protection, so every wall had to be carefully evaluated and replaced where needed. Clearing the land was a massive first step. We rented a giant shredder to mulch the overgrowth, cut back trees, and spent countless hours by hand pulling vines out of siding and rooftops. Amid all that chaos, the land showed us it was still alive. Wild turkey families wander through, deer graze at the edge of the brush, and we've crossed paths with cottonmouths, indigo snakes, and even a few pygmy rattlers. We do our best to coexist with all the creatures that call this place home. The property borders a major river, and that connection to the wild is part of what makes this land so special, and so worth reclaiming. This is just the beginning. The hard work starts here, one cleared vine, one replaced board, and one small victory at a time. As the brush came down, the houses began to reappear, one by one, emerging from years of overgrowth. For the first time in nearly 2 decades, sunlight touched their walls again. From every new angle cleared, we could finally see what we were working with, the full extent of the weathering, the damage, and the promise that still remained. These new, open views are more than just beautiful, they're essential. With the land cleared, we can finally assess foundations, repair the framing, and plan the next steps to bring each home up to living standards. Every exposed wall tells us what needs to be done. Every cleared path shows us where to rebuild. It's a reminder that progress often starts the moment you can finally see what's been hidden. From here, the real work begins. We'll be repairing damaged framing, replacing sheathing, and designing the plans needed to bring each structure up to code. We're working with architects, engineers, and the county to make sure every step is done right, safely, legally, and sustainably. It's a long road ahead, but every step feels worth it. Because what started as an abandoned subdivision is slowly becoming something else, a place where family roots can grow deep again. We'll share every step of this process, the challenges, the wins, and the lessons learned along the way. If you'd like to follow our progress as we transform these forgotten homes into a living family homestead, we'd love to have you along for the journey. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow at Jackie Fleetwood Travels so you don't miss the next chapter in the Homestead Revival. Thank you for being here, and welcome to the beginning of something beautiful.